There is one secret to breaking your fitness plateau that is not in the gym, but in an ancient and marvelous element. Welcome to Levitas. This root has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, but in the fitness world, is it just hype? I want you to answer this question. What's the one supplement you absolutely swear by for your fitness journey? Drop it in the comments below, and please give this video a like. It really helps the channel with the algorithm. Today, we are taking a deep, evidence-based dive into ashwagandha and what it can actually do for your fitness. Okay, let's start at the beginning. What is ashwagandha? Its scientific name is Withenia somnifera, and it's most famous for being classified as an adaptogen. That's a clinical term for a natural substance that helps your body adapt to stress. Now, this is key. That stress can be physical, like a brutal leg day workout, or it can be mental, like a high-pressure job or a looming deadline. Think of an adaptogen as a thermostat for your body's stress response. It helps bring you back to center, back to balance. But you're here for the fitness benefits, so let's get right to the data. Benefit number 1. This is the big one. Can ashwagandha actually help you get stronger and build muscle? The science is surprisingly strong on this. A key study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition in 2015 looked at resistance-trained men over 8 weeks. Here's what they found. The group taking ashwagandha saw significantly greater increases in muscle strength on exercises like the bench press and leg extension compared to the placebo group. And it wasn't just strength. They also had a significantly greater increase in muscle size in their arms and chest. We're talking measurable, noticeable differences. So, for strength and hypertrophy, the evidence points to a clear yes. But what about how long you last in the gym? Benefit number 2. This is where it gets really interesting for anyone who does cardio, CrossFit, or any kind of high-intensity training. A 2015 study published in the journal IU specifically looked at elite cyclists. The athletes who supplemented with ashwagandha root extract over 8 weeks improved their VO2 max. That's the gold standard measurement for the maximum amount of oxygen your body can use during intense exercise. A higher VO2 max means a bigger engine. Not only that, they also significantly improved their time to exhaustion. In simple terms, they could go harder, for longer, before hitting the wall. Benefit number 3. Going harder is great, but as we all know, your gains aren't made in the gym, they're made during recovery. If you're too sore or too tired to train effectively, you'll never make progress. This is where ashwagandha shines. Let's go back to that same 2015 Wankhede study on strength training. The researchers didn't just measure muscle size. They also measured markers of muscle damage, specifically creatine kinase, or CK. When you train hard, you create micro tears in your muscles, and your CK levels go up. The ashwagandha group had significantly lower levels of CK. This suggests it helped reduce the exercise-induced muscle damage. Less damage means faster repair, less debilitating soreness, and the ability to get back to your training sooner and feeling stronger. Benefit number 4. Strength, endurance, and recovery, that's a powerful trio. But the research also points to another benefit, supporting a healthier body composition. Now, let me be very clear, this is not a magic fat loss pill. Those don't exist. But that 2015 Wankhede study found another fascinating result. Over the 8 weeks, the participants taking ashwagandha had a significantly greater reduction in body fat percentage compared to the placebo group. So, how is this possible? It suggests ashwagandha may help create a more favorable metabolic environment for your body to build muscle while managing its fat stores, especially when combined with a consistent training program and a solid nutrition plan. And that leads us to how is one herb doing all of this? A big part of the answer lies in its effect on our hormones. Benefit number 5. Now, this is an area of a lot of clinical interest. The Wankhede study found that the men taking ashwagandha had a significant increase in T levels compared to the placebo group. As many of you know, T levels play a crucial, well-documented role in muscle repair, muscle growth, energy levels, and overall vitality. While we definitely need more research, especially on its effects in women, this is a very promising finding for those looking to optimize their anabolic environment naturally, as part of a healthy lifestyle. But perhaps the most powerful effect of ashwagandha, the one that ties all of these benefits together, is its impact on stress. Benefit number 6. Remember how we called it an adaptogen at the start? This is its superpower. In the fitness world, we have two enemies, stress from life, and stress from training, also known as overtraining. Both of these things cause your body to release a hormone called cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. A little cortisol is good, it helps you wake up and gives you focus. But chronically high cortisol is catastrophic for fitness goals. It can break down muscle tissue for energy, increase fat storage, especially around the abdomen, and absolutely crush your energy levels and sleep quality. This is where ashwagandha does its most important work. It has been shown time and time again to help put the brakes on cortisol. A gold standard, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study from 2012 in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine looked at chronically stressed adults. After 60 days, the group taking high-concentration ashwagandha root extract had a nearly 30% reduction in their serum cortisol levels. By managing your cortisol, you're not just managing your stress. You are creating the ideal physiological environment for muscle growth, fat loss, and peak performance. You're taking the foot off the brake. So, let's bring this all together for the doctor's verdict. Ashwagandha is not a magic pill. It will not build muscle for you. It won't replace a bad diet, and it won't make up for skipping workouts or poor sleep. But the evidence is compelling, it is a powerful support tool. It works on the inside by helping your body manage its total stress load, which in turn unlocks a cascade of downstream benefits, better recovery, improved hormonal balance, and a greater capacity for both strength and endurance. It addresses the internal environment so that all your hard work in the gym and in the kitchen can finally pay off more effectively. Ultimately, your fitness journey is built on the foundation of consistent training, smart nutrition, and restorative sleep. Think of ashwagandha as a powerful, science-backed tool to help reinforce that foundation, especially when life's stressors try to tear it down. It helps you stay in the game, recover smarter, and push just a little bit harder. And don't forget to comment below with your own supplement questions. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.